Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to put on some cabinet bumpers. These are protectors for the cabinets, as you can see, or doors. That reduces noise, helps cabinet doors and drawers to close quietly, helps prevent scratching of surfaces. It's just peel and stick. So peel from here to add onto the new surface. And then it says, make sure surfaces are dry and dust-free. Clean surfaces with isopropyl or rubbing alcohol prior to application. Do not use on fabric and highly textured surfaces. Adhesives are not intended for removal. Damage may occur if you decide to take it off. So I've already done one, and I've added onto here. And now I've cleaned this as best as I could because that is old adhesive and residue. So basically these are easy. After you've cleaned it, after you've let the surface dry for about a few seconds, peel off. It already has the glue on one side, as you can see my fingerprint, and you just put it on the surface that you want and the location that you want. Ooh. Ooh. Stick on and let it just stay on. It's going to stay, and then you have this sound instead of, so this one doesn't have the ones on this, and it sounds like that instead when it closes, because that's the actual cabinet. And then this one has the tabs. Much more quiet, huh? Okay, and so these were $3.99 at Target. I went online and I put cabinet tabs, but in reality you can just put cabinet bumpers, and these are what they are. They're $3.99 plus tax. And the alcohol swabs I just got from home. You can get them at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to clean this off as much of the residue from the old glue as possible. Same on the other side of this cabinet. And it's hard because I'm doing this one-handed. As much as the residue, because this house is 20 years old and we took it over like a few years ago. See, a lot of that residue is gone. As much as you can. And then get the bumper, and it just peels like so. Make sure it's in the location you want. And yes, I know there was still a little bit of residue right there, but it also helps me find the original placement that it was at. Doing this with my left hand because I am ambidextrous. My parents switched my hands from left to right. Stick these on, and voila. Now they had these on Amazon. Like the Best Buy was like 100 bumpers for $8.99, but then if you don't have Amazon Prime, you're paying for taxes and shipping. And even if you have the Amazon Prime, you're still overpaying because these are, as I said, $3.99 in Target plus tax. And you could get it right then and there instead of having to wait days. And now we're good. Got our organization and much more quiet now. See, that's loud versus this. See? Okay. And I'm gonna I have a ton of cabinets. Don't judge me, my house is, I live in a very dry area, so I have to clean the cabinets off, but this is a great way to clean off stuff. And then when you're done with all of this, we're gonna need just more alcohol pads. Goes in recycling. The alcohol pads will dry out, and then they can use it for whatever. So, and that is how you add bumpers or like cabinet stops to your cabinet. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This is my junk drawer, and it is organized. I'm not dealing with that. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.